Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Monkey Larry from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a line across. Then for the ends, let's curve it down. And then let's angle both sides down towards the center. Next, let's move inside and draw the teeth. Let's draw a thick black line down the center. And then 2 more on either side. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 circles. Then inside each one, let's add another circle. And now color both of these in black. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start off at the top in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it down, past the eye, and then bring it out. Now for the ends, let's curve it down and towards the center, following the same curve as the mouth. Lastly, for the head, let's hop up to the top and let's draw the ears. We'll start with the curve on the top left, and the same thing on the right. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head on the left and let's draw a curve down and then curve it back up. And then inside, let's draw a large oval towards the bottom. Now let's hop to the sides and add the arms. We'll start with a curve out. And then a smaller one underneath. Then for the outside line, let's angle it down. And then from the other line, let's draw a curve. Now let's add the hands at the ends. From the inside line, let's draw a curve down and back up for the first finger. Then underneath, let's draw another curve out and back up. And now for the last finger, let's hop up to the arm and let's draw a bent line down and curve it in. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the body and let's draw an angle down and then curve it down at the bottom. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's hop to the inside and let's draw a curve down on both sides that's slightly longer. Then for the outside line, let's curve it down for the tops of the feet. And then one more curve at the bottom to close off each foot. And that's it for Monkey Larry. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!